Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with State Street Global Advisors Review My Usage Experience. State Street Global Advisors Review My Usage Experience offers access to information and analysis on State Street Global Advisors' investment products and services. It's primarily aimed at investors, financial advisors, and those researching investment options. Key features likely include access to performance data, fund information, and potentially research reports. Their website provides details on specific offerings. Their website details various investment strategies and fund offerings. They emphasize transparency and a data-driven approach. The ease of use is dependent on your financial literacy. Understanding investment terminology is key to utilizing the information provided. Pricing is generally tied to the investment products themselves, not the access to information. Availability is global, though specific product offerings may vary by region. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using State Street Global Advisors Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. After navigating to their website, I found the information I needed relatively easily. I was researching their index funds, and their website provides clear, concise data on performance, expense ratios, and holdings. The interface itself was well organized, although I did find the terminology sometimes a bit dense. For example, understanding the nuances of their different index weighting methodologies took some research. The performance data was readily available and presented in various formats, charts, tables, etc., which was helpful. I had a quick question about a specific fund's methodology, and their email support responded within 2 business days with a thorough explanation. One minor drawback was the lack of an interactive portfolio builder tool. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the fund data was. The standout feature for me was definitely the detailed fact sheets available for each fund. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience. The website provided me with all the information I needed to make informed investment decisions. While it's not necessarily user-friendly for a complete novice, the data is clear and accurate for someone comfortable with investment terminology. That's my overview of State Street Global Advisors Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.